Hello friends, welcome to our channel Learn with JS. So in today's video, we will see some the introduction of MS Word 2019 and how can we start MS Word and how can we create, open, close our Word document, and we'll see some of the basic layouts of MS Word 2019. So let us start the video. So let us see the introduction of Microsoft Word. So basically Microsoft Word is a full-featured word processing software. It is used to create, edit, format professional documents and to perform daily basis tasks such as letters, resumes, reports, assignments, books, etc., which can be printed on paper or can be saved on system or mobile. And its benefit is that document can be shared easily within the second with anyone. Okay, then Word 2019 has many more updates and features than previously 2016 version, and it's to using the Microsoft Word, it has many more benefits, like it improves the typing speed and accuracy of the person. Okay, so here we are on our desktop. Now let us see how can we start MS Word. So before starting, I want to confirm you that we are working on Windows 10 and we are using MS Word 2019 version. But don't worry if you don't have the latest version, as basic features are same in all the versions. Okay, so let us start. On our desktop screen, just go to the start button and now and just type here MS Word. Now you can see it is showing MS Word app. Just click on the icon or just click on the open button to open this. Okay, this is the first method to open the file. Likewise, now second method is just go to the start and just search for the W, and here you can see Word. Okay, just click on it to open this. Okay, so this is our interface of MS Word. This type of display will be shown to you when you will open the app. Now just look at all the options showing here. So in left hand side there are three options, which is home, new and open. Okay, in home there are some of the templates of the Word documents, and below that there are recently opened files. Next there is new. From here you can choose your document and start the work on same. So what are these templates? First there is a blank and plain document. Then there are some already designed documents, such as this for resume, to create the education brochure, to just create the certificate, invoices and some party invitation cards, and these kind of already designed templates are available, which you can use as per your requirement. Okay, then after that, next there is open option, from where you can open your existing document, which is either available on OneDrive or any of the location on your PC. Okay, so actually your OneDrive account is a cloud storage services where you can just save your file on the Microsoft server instead of your computer. Fine, so this way you can open the any of the file. Now let's create a new document. So go to the new, choose blank document to open this. Now our document will be appeared like this. So there are basically two methods to create a new file when you are working on another already. So first one is just go to the file menu and click on new option and just choose your document and blank document to open the new document. See, we are already on the document 1 and we have opened document 2. Okay, now another way to open a document is just press Ctrl plus N from your keyboard. See, has been opened. Now we have just document 1 and 2. When I press Ctrl plus N from my keyboard, then it created document 3. Like again, I am just showing you. I am just pressing Ctrl plus N. See, document 4 has been opened. So let's close all the documents. So likewise, we have the two methods to open the file. From the file menu, just go to the open and choose any of the folder, and other method is just press Ctrl plus O. Okay, so we are here and just choose any file to open. I'm just opening that file. So we are here on the file. Now here at the topmost of the document, there is a title bar which shows the name of the document by default. Like here, it is the title of the file is new file, and of this file by default title name is document 6. Fine. Next, in the top left corner, there is a quick access toolbar. This to quickly perform any of the action while working. Like there are 3 showing to us, which is for save, redo, undo, and more we can add by using this drop down option. You can add more to it. Like I just want to add for new. See, 1 more have been added. Now below to the title bar, there is a ribbon which have some tabs like home tab, insert tab, draw, design, layout, references, and more. And under every tab there are different groups of commands. Like under home tab there are different kinds of groups like clipboard, font, paragraph styles, editing, and under the font group there are multiple commands by using we can perform any of the action in our document. Then below to the ribbon there is a text section to work on it. Okay, then just right to the text area there is this vertical scroll bar which enables to you move up and down your window by simply dragging to it. Then in the bottom there is a status bar which shows you the status of your document. Like in the left corner there is status for your page which displays current working from all the pages of the document. Like we have total first pages in our document, and I am working on the first page 1 of 1. This means okay, and then there is a word count which will count the number of words in your document. Like we have written 28 words there. If I will add one more, see, it was 28 and it has been added one more, so there is 29 words now. Okay, then there are 3 options, which is read mode, then print layout, and then web layout. Okay, we will see about them later. Then there in the last there is zoom in and zoom out option. By using this you can zoom in your document, and using this you can zoom out. Next, in the top right corner there is an option of ribbon setting, like auto hide ribbon, show tabs, and commands. In auto hide ribbon, it allows you to hide the ribbon automatically, but you can access it whenever you need it. Just click on it, you will get it, and when you will back to the document it will automatically hide. And I just want to use any of the function, just click above and use that, and then you will click on the document, it will hide. So that's why we called it auto hide ribbon. Then then next to it is show tabs. It will just show you the tabs only. Whatever command you need it, you just go to the tab, it will show to you. Then you will go come back to the document, it will hide. Okay, and then in the last there is show tabs and commands. There is it will show you the complete ribbon. Okay, then after that there is a minimize option. It will minimize your document. Then it is maximize. It will completely auto fit. And there is an option to close the document. When you will click on this, your document will be closed. And the option to close your document is Control plus W. I just want to close this document, so you can also close this by clicking on this button, or you can just press Control plus W from your keyboard. So I am just pressing Control plus W. See, that document has been closed. Only one document is here. Okay, so it is all enough for the today's video. So let's have a summary. What we have learned today is introduction of MS Word, how to start MS Word, creating a new document, open an existing document. We have studied about some basic layout of Word and how to close the document. Okay.